I'll be showing you how to make buttercream frosting. Buttercream frosting. So stay tuned as we go along. So for a start, I'll be showing you the things we need. You need your icing sugar. So I'll be making some Christmas colors. So you need your icing sugar, 1 kg of icing sugar. So this is 500 gram each. Then you need your butter. You can use 250 gram, you can use 300 gram, I can use 400 gram. So the first thing you need to do is to sieve your icing sugar. You have to sieve it because sometimes this icing sugar has like lumps inside it. So you need to sieve it to get a smooth consistency. So you just use any sieve to sieve it. Can you see? It's having like lumps, and it depends on the type of icing you are using as well and the environment. But most of these icing usually have lumps. So we'll sieve the second one as well. So both are sieved. After sieving, grab your bowl. Just clean that. So into your bowl, add your butter. Some people use stand mixer for this. For me, I don't have a stand mixer. I always use my hand. If you don't have a stand mixer, you can still use your hand. So this is 250 gram of butter. So this is what you do. Just use your rolling pin. I like to use this bowl because it helps the rolling very well, unlike this one. Adding about 100 gram more. To make up for 350 gram. I use 400. I don't want to use 400. At this point, you'll be putting your icing sugar inside it gradually. This is where the main work is. You are mixing it, you'll be scraping it. This is where the main work is. Until you exhaust the sugar. You'll be adding it and rolling it bit by bit. I'll use glove. You add again. You'll be adding it bit by bit until you exhaust all the sugar. When you can't turn it anymore, then we'll be adding water. Using warm water. It's work. It's not that hard. If you have a bigger bowl, it will be easier. I want to change the bowl. When you notice that it's very hard, you can't turn again. Then you can add your milk or water. So you can add water at this point. So you need 2 tablespoons of warm water. This is my half tablespoon. The 1 tablespoon has broken. So you add the water gradually. You can use milk if you want. Water helps you to dry faster. I'll put it back into this one. I prefer this glass one. To help it to roll well, I'll be using super milk flavor today. You can use vanilla, any flavor of your choice. This is half teaspoon. So I'm going with half teaspoon of super milk flavor. You can add any flavor of your choice. You can use vanilla. I decided to try this super milk. flavor. So the same way, keep rolling. Continue to roll. Oh, and that's it. So altogether I've used 3 tablespoons. I see the work. Make sure you use something solid table. So just like that, the buttercream is ready. You don't want to mix too much to avoid air bubbles. I see. Buttercream does not need too much mixing, over mixing, so it will not have air bubbles. It's just to incorporate everything and you are good to go. I see. And it must not be too runny. So you want this consistency. So at this point it is ready for use. So you can add any color you want. Any color you want to decorate, you can add it. So that is how to make your perfect buttercream for your frosting. Can you see how smooth it is? Can you see? Very smooth. You don't want to overmix so it will not have bubbles. So this consistency is okay. The butter and the sugar together, and you are good to go. So thank you for watching. Bye.